Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to show you all the best credit cards for small businesses in July 2023. Let's go straight into it. All right, guys, so the very first card on our list is going to be the Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card. This one's going to give you a rewards rate of 1.5%, and you're able to earn an unlimited amount of 1.5% cash back on every purchase made for your business. Okay, guys. So there's also an introductory offer of $750. That means you're going to be able to get $750 bonus cash back after you spend about $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. Okay, guys. So that's pretty good. Looks like you have an annual fee of $0. So that's going to be pretty good, especially if you're looking to save the most money that you can in your businesses. Okay, guys. Your regular APR after that is going to be about 18.24%. That's on the low end, and then the high end is going to have about 24.24%, and that is variable. Okay, the best thing about this is that if you're going to go ahead and use your personal credit on this one, you'll be able to apply with a 670 credit score, and that is going to be for the Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card, and that is by Chase Bank. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and go to the next card. The next one's going to be the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. Okay, this one's going to have a lot more perks. Let's jump right into it. This is going to be able to let you get earn 5% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply store and on internet, cable, and phone services each account anniversary year. So these are going to be bills you already have that you just simply have to change the payment method on by using this credit card. Okay, guys. Next, you're going to be able to earn 2% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at gas stations and at restaurants each account anniversary year. That's not all. You'll be able to get 1% cash back on all other credit card purchases with no limit to the amount that you guys can earn. Okay, guys. You also get a $750 intro offer. This one's going to be a bonus cash back after you have spent at least $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. So don't forget, guys, these credit card companies don't want you to just get approved for them and just show them around. They want you to make sure that you're actually using these credit cards. Okay, guys. So that's one of the biggest things that a lot of people don't realize is that when they have these business credit cards, these companies expect for you to use them just like you were a business owner. They're expecting you to make purchases, inventory, sometimes even payroll to be taken care of in some way, shape, or form by using this credit card. Okay, guys. You also get a $0 annual fee, so that's amazing. And then you have a regular APR of 18.24% on the low end, and then on the high end about 24.24%, and that is variable. Looks like you only need about a 670 credit score to get approved for this Inc. Business Cash credit card, and that is, as we know, owned by Chase Bank. Okay, next on our list is going to be our Capital One Spark Miles card for business. Okay, guys, this is going to have a rewards rate unlimited 5 times the miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Now, that doesn't mean that you won't be able to get some type of percentage savings if you don't use Capital One Travel, but you're going to be able to save the most and actually truly maximize your business credit card if you go through their actual website. Okay, guys, and then you'll be able to earn 2%, 2 times the miles per dollar on every purchase everywhere, no limits or category restrictions, and miles will never expire for the life of the account. That means as long as this account is open and active, you will have access to your miles. Okay, guys. So right off the back, you're going to be able to get 50,000 miles. So you'll be able to earn a one-time bonus of 50,000 miles equal to $500 in travel once you spend $4,500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening, guys. So make sure that you guys are using this card fairly quickly. As I mentioned, these are small business credit cards, so they're expecting you to use them as if you have a small business. Not saying you guys don't, but again, they're used to seeing these types of expenses being made with businesses. Okay, guys. You're also going to have an annual fee of $0, but however, that's only going to be for the first year. It's going to be $95 after that. It's not horrible, especially considering the amount of rewards that you get, but just keep that in mind. If you don't want an annual fee, this may not be the card for you. You're going to have regular APR of 25.99%. That is variable, and looks like you only need about a 670 credit score to get approved for this credit card, and this is the Capital One Spark Miles card for business. Okay, guys. Next on our list is going to be the Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. Okay, guys. This one, you're going to be able to earn 3 points per $1 on the first 150,000 spent on travel and select business categories, each account anniversary year. Okay, guys. After that, you'll be able to earn 1 point per $1 on all other purchases with no limit to the amount that you guys can earn. So make sure you guys keep an eye on that as well. Next, you're going to be able to get an intro offer. Now, you'll be able to earn 100,000 bonus points after you have spent $8,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Okay, guys, that's $1,000 of cash back or $1,250 towards travel when redeemed through Chase Unlimited Rewards. So you make sure you have to remember that you guys are only redeeming, everything through the Chase Unlimited Rewards. Okay, guys. Annual fees only $95, which is not bad, and then a regular APR of 20.99%. And that's going to be on the low end. On the high end, you're going to be about 25.99%. And that is going to be variable. Okay. And then it looks like you only need a credit score of about a 670 to go ahead and apply for this credit card. So good luck to you on that application. And this is the Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card by Chase Bank. Last but not least, is going to be our Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards MasterCard. And again, that is going to be by Bank of America. Okay, guys. So now this one is going to be the 3% cash back in the category of your choice. And that's going to be on the first $50,000 in combined choice category dining purchases each calendar year. And that's 1% thereafter. Okay. And then next, you're going to be able to get 2% cash back on dining purchases on the first $50,000 in combined choice category dining purchases each calendar year, and that's going to be 1% thereafter. Okay, guys. And then last but not least, you'll be able to get 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. Okay, guys. Now it looks like they give you an intro offer as well too, and they're giving you $300 online statement credit after you make at least $3,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening. So they want you to spend about $1,000 a month as soon as you get this credit card, guys. Again, 0 annual fee. This is why they're on the top of the list. And this is going to be regular APR. This is going to be 18.24% on the low end, all the way up to the high end, about 28.24% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. Okay, guys. And if you are looking for the credit score to get this one you actually need a 740, okay, in order to get this Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards MasterCard credit card. Okay, guys. And again, those are the top small business credit cards. And now listen, if you're looking to learn more about these cards, compare these credit cards, or apply for any of these credit cards, you can learn more about them in the link down below. And again, guys, if you all like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much, and see you all on the next video.